Guys, I'm back in another video, and something you never seen. It checked real close. A flyby. Check this out. It's right there with the lights. It's right there. Oh, it's coming. Whoa. Did you see that? Guys, it went this close. No way. Let me just sit that again. It went super close. Even like the 1,039. Here it comes. Whoa. That is loud. That is, ooh, definitely loud. No way. One more time. Guys, check this out. Guys, it went like a flyby. It buzzed the tower. Whoa. No way. It buzzed the tower like way too easier. God, there's no way. I just did it like most of the time. See with the lights right there? It's coming. It shakes. It shakes too well. Alright, hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit the like. Don't forget to subscribe. And the next video is gonna be cool. See you guys in the next video. See ya.